Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Well, I'm not in the shop as you can see. I've been in the shop. We're going to have some videos coming up at a later date, but they're coming, and they're on something. I had a bunch running to do today, and that's what I'm out doing now. Kid had a FFA meeting and I had to bring her over, so I thought, well, I haven't made a video in a couple of days, so I thought I'd bring you guys up, but there's 454 videos to come. We're just waiting. Kid's over here picking on a girlfriend or whatever. Just driving around, won't let her back in the car. Kids. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Squirrel to get done with her thing and then go home. But, I'm going back to the doctor. It's 4 days in a row I haven't felt good again. And now it's getting to the point where I really can't eat without having bad pain in my stomach. So I got a doctor's appointment coming up here pretty quick. And I really don't know what's going on. All I know is it seems like I know a lot of diabetics. And I've made this comment. Now I'm starting to wonder. It's like a lot of diabetics all of a sudden are getting really, really sick. And the one thing we got in common is the damn insulin we take. Up until 4 days ago, I was feeling pretty good. But the other night I got the wife to go with me to the movies. We just got, what was it, Saturday night? Friday or Saturday night, I can't remember. Friday night, I think. No, Saturday night. Sorry, it doesn't really make a difference. Anyway, over the weekend, I looked at her and said, let's go. We ain't got no kids. Now then, let's just go for a ride. I needed to get out of the house. So we went out for a ride. We ended up getting some food and drove by the movie theater to see what was playing. So we ended up, my wife and I figured up it's about 18 years. Whenever Toy Story came out, the original one, that was the last time I got my wife to go to a movie with me. So we went and actually watched the number 8 in the Fast and Furious series. And that was pretty good. I won't say anything about it to ruin it for anybody, but we come home from that and I went to go to bed. I laid in bed and all of a sudden on my left side, I had such a pain. I wanted to cry out for my wife, but hurt so bad, and it hurt so bad that it also created a couple of Charlie horses in my legs at the same time. I'm like, what? And just felt like from everything from my bump below my rib cage down was getting ripped off. So I rolled around on the bed and got repositioned and got the pain to go away, and that was on my left side. And she says, oh, well, did popcorn you eat mess with you? I don't know. But if stuff for me would go smooth and no problems, because 454, well, you guys will have to watch those videos. I ain't going to say nothing. All I'll say is the owner commented that he's done mail ordering parts. He won't ever do that again. Nothing too bad. The videos be coming. So thought I'd just let you guys know I am still going, and the weather's still crappy. It's cloudy, dreary, gloomy, raining. We've been down to 30. I think this morning we started out at 34 degrees. Let's see what we're at right now. We're at 40, 48, 49 now. So yeah. And some of the projects I need to do outside. And with all this rain, and then 50, 60 mile per hour winds, it just really, truly is not fit outside for man or beast. And luckily we missed out on the big 12-inch snowstorm that they said we were going to have here. Actually, we didn't get, yeah, we did get some, but didn't even cover the ground, so we lucked out. Now we'll just get the warm weather back. Anyway, I know some of you don't care for videos like this, but hey, I got a majority of you people that love that I keep it about real life and mix it up here and there. Can't please everybody and never will please anybody. Or everybody. Whatever. It's just... Oh. Anyway, I guess we'll see what Doc comes up, because it's almost like my guts have turned into a drum. It's like it's kind of swelling up, and like I ate a piece of bread before I come over here, and that was almost too much. That started to hurt. So been drinking my water. And I know there's so many viruses and crap going around, so I don't know. I don't know if it was something I ate or what, but what do you do? So anyway, I guess we'll see y'all later. Have a good one. And once the weather gets straightened out, we're going to have more videos. So talk to you later.